Namaste.
Hello everyone, we are the students of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Bangalore Rural of class 8 was participating in SIM means School Innovation Atal Marathon, and we were developed a app called Alarm Clock with the help of MIT App Innovation.
Full form of app MIT app Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
It is it is invented by MIT College. It was European college. It was invented in 2010 and there are 5 key features.
Visual programming, component based design, real time, education focus, open source.
And MIT is the web based platform for inventing new or own app. Now I will tell how to create a new app. You should go create apps. I created alarm clock. See, it was I created by me own. It was front and it was back. In front there are many options using uniform layout media like this. Once you use button, I uses that many components. You can change background color, let us keep green.
Sir. Sir.
Let us change the title. See, it was changed.
Hello friends. Now I did a program in MIT. MIT means Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Now I will give brief information of MIT.
And this app is downloaded in this mobile. I set it time 1:14. I will set into 1:15. It will start at 1:15.